Today's comment shout out goes to Anna. Thank you so much for the comment. So I've already moisturized my skin and now I'm going to apply strobe cream. This is the MAC strobe cream. I'm going to apply on the highest points. I think that is enough. Looks so glowy. Now I'm going to use this MAC Fix Plus and just going to spritz on my face. A lot of it. This will just make sure that my face is really hydrated and the makeup will look so much better. I'm going to let it dry for some time. Next I'm going to use this Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation. This is in the shade Pure Olive. I'm going to spread it on my face first, especially where I need it the most. Then I'm going to use this Damp Beauty Blender by PAC. I'm just going to blend it all out. I'm going to apply a little bit more where I need it. Just here because forehead did not get on me any foundation. I apply very minimal on my forehead because I have a lot of lines on my forehead and it doesn't look good. For my concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Just going to apply it under my eyes, little bit on my eyelids, little bit on the sides of my nose. Here I have a lot of redness, not a lot, little bit of redness. This much concealer is enough. If you need more, you can add more, but don't apply too much at once. I'm using the PAC 272 brush. This is the concealer brush. I love this brush so much. I'm not moving it, just slowly dabbing it because I don't want to move the concealer away. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light Medium, and I'm going to pick it up, some of it, using my Damp Beauty Blender. I'm going to apply this much, like this. You can choose to let it sit for some time. I just let it sit for 2-3 seconds till I apply it on the other eye, and then just going to blend it out very lightly. Very little pressure. Now again I'm going to spritz a little bit of Fix Plus until it dries. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. So now that the face is dried, I'll just check if my lids are like smooth and dry, because your lids have to be matte and smooth if you're going to do a lot of blending. Otherwise it won't blend properly and might look patchy. For my eyeshadow today, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. For my first shade, I'm going to use this shade called Sandalwood. Today, I'm going to focus on these 4 shades right here. I just want to play with all these shades. I'm going to focus it here in this outer socket, just dabbing it, and then I'm going to blend it. I'm going to apply it under my eyes as well. As you can see, it created a really nice base. This is perfect for everyday kind of makeup look. Now I'm going to add more shades and I'm going to build it up by adding darker shades so that they really blend together, and we have the lightest shade as our base. For this shade, I'm going to focus it on my outer corner, just dabbing it. For dabbing it, I use the tip of the brush and then slowly blending it in circular motions and blending it in my crease as well. Also going to apply it under my eyes. When there's no product on the brush, you can just blend out the edges. Don't do that while there's product, because you don't want the product to touch your eyebrows. Like there should be a little gap and then it should really blend nicely. I'm going to take this Sandalwood shade again apply it just to kind of blend all together. Just a little bit, you can't even make out. If you get too much eyeshadow, outside your boundary, you can just take a little bit powder and blend it all out so that it tones down. Next, I'm going to take this dark brown shade from the Smoky Obsessions palette. Using this brush, PAC 289. The number is faded off, but I remember the number. Just going to pick up a little bit, adding it on the outer corner. Just this much. I'll work on this only. And I'm going to use this brush in such a way that it also blends it like this, and the tip will kind of blend it in the crease. That's why I love this brush. Even black would look really nice, but this dark brown also looks good. Black is kind of difficult to work with because if you apply too much, even by mistake, the whole eye look is gone, ruined. And now whatever's left, I'm gonna apply under my eyes, because if you apply too much, it's gonna look too much. Now I'm going to take my bigger blending brush and a little bit of Sandalwood shade. I'm just going to blend it again so that everything is blended properly. Now as you can see, there's too much shadow outside my boundary. Usually I don't like this kind of look. Like here at least this is fine, but here it just looks too much. So I'm just going to take a little bit of powder, little bit, and going to apply it like this, especially over here. Next I'm going to take this flat brush and taking this shade and applying in my inner third. Just dabbing it, not spreading it, because dabbing gives the most pigment. I want it to be even lighter, so I'm going to use this shade from the Smoky Obsessions. Now I'm going to use this shimmery shade and applying it in my inner corner and brow bone. Dragging a little bit till here. Should I apply eyeliner? I'm scared, but I'm gonna apply. This is the Maybelline Colossal Liner. Shouldn't have done it. I'm going to tight line my eyes with this. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use this Maybelline mascara. I'm going to use this nude pencil on my lower waterline. Now I'm going to apply false eyelashes and be right back. Using these Pack Silk lashes. So I've put on some lashes. Now for the rest of the face makeup, I'm going to use Hoola bronzer, applying on the sides of the face. Going to put a little bit on my cheeks as well as usual. Slightly contouring my nose with this brush which comes with this. Next I'm going to apply some blush. You know, these lashes look a little bit defective, like they are not pointing properly. That's why it looks like I have not stuck this, but I don't know. Going to use Maybelline the Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Here I had applied some powder now on top of blush, that's why the highlighter is not sticking properly. Here there wasn't much powder, so highlighter just stuck on my skin, and that stroke cream which I had applied. For lipstick, I'm going to slightly overline my lips. For the lipstick, I'm going to apply Lacy Luck. Haven't sharpened it, that's why I'm using my finger. Just going to spritz Fix Plus one more time. Take care of your eyes, don't let the spray get into your eyes, otherwise it's going to be messy. Feels so good. I'm gonna wait for it to dry for some time. I really love Fix Plus. It gives kind of glow, but you can also use a face mist that also melts your makeup beautifully. It helps your makeup to not look cakey. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and I will see you in my next video. Bye.